I pretty much can turn any slab of concrete, whether it be old dilapidated or new concrete, into something that will wow yourself, your family, your friends for longevity of years. So today I'm going to do a demo with some of the applications and product that Direct Color sells. It's very user friendly. Am I still on? It sounds like it went off. Hello? They're very user friendly. Direct Colors is awesome. I've worked with Direct Colors for 16 years. If you follow their guidelines and their instructions, if you have the wheel power and the elbows, anybody can do it. Of course, I'm always available to do consultation fees or just do the whole process. We're only going to do a little small application here, so keep in mind that a bigger area, like 100 square feet plus, you're going to see a lot more colors, a lot more movement. This is my inspiration, fall foliage. Literally, you can pick any colors. They have an array of colors to choose from. You go to your decor, you go to the colors you like, you go to your, home colors that, your walls, your brick, and just come up with an application of whatever colors that appeases your style. This is my inspiration. Okay, so this is a DC1 skim coat. The great thing about this product that I'm going to use, you can either do the DC1 skim coat, it builds a new canvas, or you can go over the existing concrete. You pull up your carpet, you can go over the existing concrete. Okay, you ready? So the first product I'm going to use is a tinted sealer. And this is just a really quick process that I'm going to do today. I'm going to pour it on. That's how user friendly. These are my great assistants. Am I not? My mic not on?
I think you pulled it out.
I'm in. Hello. Thank you. So this is the tinted sealer. This literally, it builds a barrier, closes the pores of your concrete. That way when you use the other products that I'm going to use today, it just gives a richer color. So it's that simple. Literally, roll it on, let it dry. The key to decorative concrete is following the steps. The prep is so important. We're not doing any prep today, obviously, but the prep is the most important step, probably. So that's it. That's how simple, basic. So that's what it would look like complete. That's the tinted sealer. Custom colors, array of colors. Joey, you're going to stand up for this one. Okay, so this one is where you need masks, technically. I'm going to do it real quick, real brief. This is the dye. Very user-friendly. Joey, when I ask you, will you turn that fan on? Red. You can, with Direct Colors dyes, you can actually double the colors up. This is a 2-coat color, or 2-bag color, it's 2 different colors. You don't have to stick with the one color. If it's too bright and you want a little darker, you can add colors. It's fun, you can play with it and just, the sky's the limit. So it literally, it's just an application. I'm going to try and leave some of the yellow showing. Okay. And this is literally just mixed with acetone. And like when you ladies get your nails done. It's stinky, just like when you go in the nail salon, but it evaporates really quick. I mean, you can literally just, the sky's the limit with the movement. You cannot mess this up if you follow the instructions. Of course, I have my little tricks of the trade, but so that's pretty much it. It'll dry, and I'll go to the next step. This was a sample board that I finished earlier. And the thing about direct decorative concrete, no two jobs are ever going to be the same. The concrete affects the color outcome. The artist affects the color outcome. You see there's a lot of brown in there. Minimal red. In a bigger span, you'd see more of the goat meat. And I'm going to go in with the base coat. And you're going to see that with the base coat, it just totally changes the color outcome. This is a sealer application. The great thing about direct cars or sealers is a water base. Will you put the fan on it, please?